Hello students, this is the video regarding the vernier caliper and the B part of the first chapter, measurement of length. So in this we will discuss the least count of the measuring instrument. So the meaning of the least count is, for any instrument, this is the smallest measurement that can be taken accurately with that instrument. So that is the least count for that instrument. For example, in the case of the stopwatch, the least count is 0.5 second. Now you can see in the stopwatch dial 10 divisions are there for the 5 second. Means 10 divisions are equal to 5 second. So 1 division is equal to 5 by 10 second, and that is 0.5 second. So smaller is the least count for the instrument, more precise is the measurement made by using it. So for the normal meter rule, which is equal to 100 centimeter, for that if we will go for least count, its least count will be 0.1 centimeter. Means we can measure the length correct up to only 1 decimal place. But if we'll compare the vernier caliper measurement with the help of the vernier caliper, this is the vernier caliper instrument that I'll show you each part of this vernier caliper. With the help of this we can measure the length up to 2 decimal place. Now the principle of the vernier caliper, Pierre Vernier was the scientist who devised this instrument, that is the vernier caliper, with the help of which we can measure up to second decimal place, means more accuracy we can get. So there are 2 scales. One is the main scale, this is the main scale, and one more is there, this one is the vernier scale, this one which can slide. Now this scale can slide. Now here you can see 10 divisions are there on the vernier scale. It can slide on the main scale. So the least count of the vernier, or the vernier constant, that is the least count of the vernier, that is equal to the difference between the values of one main scale division and one vernier scale division, and the name for this is vernier constant. So this is the formula for the least count, and by deriving this, the least count we can write equal to value of one main scale division, that is x, divided by total number of divisions on the vernier scale. So if we'll go for the one main scale division, that is equal to 1 millimeter, and how many divisions you can see on the vernier scale, there are 10 divisions. Very fine lines you can see on this. This is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till here, this one. You can see here also, one main scale division is equal to 1 mm, and total number of vernier scale division between this red line, that is equal to 10 divisions. So what is the least count formula? That is exponent, x is 1 millimeter and n is 10. So the answer is 0.1 mm. But if we'll compare this in centimeter, that is equal to 0.01 centimeter, and you can measure this up to 2 decimal place, which is more accurate. Now the use of vernier scale. Now vernier scale can be used to measure the length of the rod. Now these are the external jaws which is used to hold the object, okay, and rod is kept between these 2 jaws. Now vernier scale will give us vernier scale reading, and main scale will give us main scale reading. Now check it carefully. The main scale reading is 1.1 and 1.2. So 1.2 is the final, but there is a small gap between the 1.2 and the red line. Okay, so this small gap we can measure with the help of the vernier scale reading. For that we have to check that which division of the vernier scale is exactly coinciding with the main scale. So you can see here I am going to put a dot. So this is the 4th division. Now this fourth division is coinciding exactly with the main scale, just like this, right? Exactly in this way. So length AB, that small one, 1 year reading is equal to P into least count. So total reading formula is main scale reading plus 1 year scale reading. I told you earlier the main scale reading is 1.2 and the 1 year scale reading is fourth division, P is the fourth into least count, and the least count is 0.01. So 4 into 0.01, that will be equal to 0.04, and this is the main scale reading and this is the 1 year scale reading. If you add them, you will get the correct reading, observed reading, that is 1.24 centimeter. Another name for the 1 year caliper is slide calipers. Now here are some of the functions of the outside jaws. So outside jaws is used to measure the external diameter, right? And inside jaws, they are used to measure the internal diameter. There is one metallic strip, so it is used to measure the depth of the object, just like this. So this is used to measure the depth of the any object. In this table you can see outside jaws to measure the length of the rod, diameter of the sphere or the external diameter. Inside jaws to measure the internal diameter of the hollow cylinder, and there is a strip used to measure the depth of the beaker. Main scale, I told you, here is the main scale, right? So measure the length correct up to 1 decimal place, and the 1 year scale will give us the length up to correct up to 2 decimal place. Least count we have already done. You have to learn the formula x by n is the formula for least count. Then zero error in 1 year caliper. There are two kind of the zero error. One is positive zero error, second one is negative zero error. Now how to check the positive zero error? On bringing the two jaws, external jaws, in contact with each other in this way. So here is the diagram. You can see if the 0 of the 1 year, this lower one is the 0 of the 1 year scale, upper one is the 0 of the main scale. If the 0 of the 1 year scale lying to the right side of the main scale, it indicates the positive zero error. And how to find that? You have to see that which serial number of the 1 year scale is exactly coinciding with the main scale. So which division is coinciding here? 6th division. You can see they have clearly indicating this coinciding division. So 6 into least count. 6 into least count is equal to 0.06 centimeter. This is the magnitude of the zero error, but the sign is positive. And if we'll go for the negative zero error, in that case, if we'll again bring the two jaws, external jaws in contact with each other, then the 0 of the 1 year scale is lying towards the left side of the 0 of the main scale. Now again you have to check that which division is exactly coinciding with the main scale. So the serial number is again 6. So if we'll calculate, the answer will be minus 0.06 centimeter. So that you can subtract from the 10, or you can do minus for the negative zero error 10 minus 6 into least count. So 10 minus 6 is 4, minus 4 into 0.01 centimeter, so the answer is minus 0.04 centimeter. Then correction due to the zero error. If we'll go for correction, because negative zero error or plus zero error, you have to add in the correct reading. So according to this formula you will do that. Correct reading is equal to observed reading minus zero error with sign. With sign means if it is minus, then negative zero error sign of the negative zero error will multiply with this. So minus minus plus, simply that error you will add. And if it is plus zero error, then plus minus minus. So in that case also you can simply take the algebraic sum, observed reading minus plus zero error. So minus plus minus, simply do the calculation to get the correct reading. So very simple idea here they have given in this example, a very important example. You can see what is the main scale reading in this. So the main scale reading is 5.3. You just check it out. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and the red line is between 5.3 and 5.4 centimeter. So 5.3 centimeter is the main scale reading. Now for vernier scale reading you have to check that which division is exactly coinciding. So sixth division is exactly coinciding. This is fifth one and this is the sixth one where I am keep marking one dot. So sixth division is coinciding. So P value is 6. Vernier scale reading is equal to 6 into 0.01, that is the least count. So 0.06 centimeter is the vernier scale reading. Now observed reading formula is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. So 5.3 centimeter plus 0.06 centimeter, and the answer is 5.36 centimeter. Now this vernier caliper is free from zero error. If it is free from zero error, then there is no need to take the zero error consideration. Means observed reading is our correct reading. So just revise all the concept and apply on the numericals. So you will get mastery on the topic. Thank you.